So for this repair, the only thing you're going to need is a 00 Phillips head screwdriver. It's a pretty straightforward repair. The first thing you're going to want to do is take out the battery in the back of the PSP. And then after the battery is taken out, you're going to want to remove the factory seal down here in the corner. Get this out. Once you get the sticker off, there's going to be a screw down here at the bottom. Put that better up to the camera for you to see, sorry. And then there's going to be one screw at the top. And like I said, all you need is a 00 Phillips head. Probably help if I magnetized it. And then the other two screws on the back of the PSP are going to be right here and right here that you have to take off. So right here and right there. Yeah, I'm going to magnetize this real fast. Okay. Take these off. And that's all you're going to have to do on the whole entire back side of it. Then there's going to be two screws at the top right here. Take these off. These are smaller sizing, so you might want to separate them from the rest. And then for the last screw, it is going to be here at the bottom. Let's take that out. Once you have those 7 screws removed, all you have to do next is basically just pry the case open with like a little plastic opening tool like this for my Fix-It. You want to start on the right hand side, just be careful. But that is the easier side to start from prying it wise. There's me not being careful. And just going to pry around like this. Get the sides a little edgy. If there's anything with plastic clips, it's annoying. Okay. You just pry all the way around. Nope. You can just gently pull it off. Oh. Accidentally put the top clip back on. And voila. Pretty easy repair. Reason being why you would want to do this, oh, there's liquid damage on the inside of here, that's nice. But the reason being why you would want to do this is if the D-pad is getting stuck, because obviously that's on the front of the casing, same thing with the buttons. I did get this off eBay and he was saying the D-pad was getting stuck, so I know why right now. I also just want to put this faceplate on because it's a lot nicer condition than the other one. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to probably hit that with some isopropanol, but After you put the screen back on, it's pretty forward. All you have to do is just push it in and clip it, and then just apply the screws back into the same spot that you had it before.